Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, it's the world away, and God, it's good to be back. And to get back in the swing of things, we have got issue 23 of Hachette Partworks, Build the Terminator. As I said, it's great to be back, and I'm going to address the elephant in the room straight away. Behind me there, I've got a billboard from Luxury Model Customs. That is the billboard from Back to the Future 1 and 2, and that will get a review later on in the week. So I'm sure you're going to be absolutely amazed by that. That's why I've taken it out of the case and really getting a diorama thing going there. But there's still more work to do on that. But as I said, we'll get that video out later in the week. What are we going to do in the Terminator issue? Well, as you can see, we've got a couple of parts in this issue. We've got this little metal piece here, and we've got this piece here, which we're not actually going to be using. So all we're going to be doing is working with just this one part here. And all we've got to do is put this in the shell casing that we had in the last episode. We're also going to need to bring over this piece as well, where we put the black notches in each side. We have to glue them in. We're going to put that in and just simply screw the shoulder joint onto it. That's it. That's all we've got to do. In the next issue, we're going to collect the right shoulder plate and connect the hand to the arm. So we are going to be starting to build the arm up, which is going to come together as really like the head. So when we've got that all completed, it's going to look pretty good. I am starting to think the reason that we do have the loose fingers is to hold the plasma rifle, so it's actually going to attach to it. I don't know. Perhaps I'm wrong. Just speculating. Who knows? But I've got my trusty screwdriver, so let's get cracking. Okay, so quite simply, all we do is we're going to take this part here and we're going to be orientating this cog a correct way. Now, as you can see, we've got these little indents on the side and the top here. We're going to put this in so it fits into the recess. Now, in the instructions, it tells us to make sure that it's exactly in line with those parts I've just showed you. So it's going to look just like that. Actually, that's just off center there. Let's put it back in again. So that those screw holes are going to be in line with this and this. But to be honest with you, it doesn't matter, and I'll show you why in a second. And once we've done that, we've got that like that, we're going to be putting this shoulder piece here just into the other side like that. It's going to be screwed in with 2 times 6mm screws, which are going to be going into the screw holes here and here. So what I'm going to do is I'll get that put in now. Here's the first screw going in. Nice and tight, and then quite simply all we've got to do, just load this up and put the second screw in. Now, as long as you put the screw holes, or you attach this, sorry, that shoulder joint into these screw holes, the reason it doesn't matter about the orientation is because, look, you can still turn it. So the way they actually want it is just like that. Now, obviously, when we have the pieces going on this side, you won't be able to do that. But while we're in that, it doesn't matter that you haven't orientated it right. As you can see now, though, on this picture here, that I have orientated that correctly. Believe it or not, that's all we've got to do in that issue. As I said, this piece is not used, so hopefully we'll have a use for that next time. But nice quick build, that one, to come back to. I have got the Bismarck issue 24 out. That's going to be out in the next couple of days. That's actually behind me. While I was away, they've also gave me pack 2 of the Victory, which I'll probably get started on in about 6 months once we've got pack 1 out of the way. We've got 2 issues of the DeLorean coming, and I really do want to review the billboard there by Luxury Model Customs, and I've also, if any of you have ordered in the past, received something from Mike Lane, so that's going to be reviewed at the end of the week as well. I haven't actually opened the box yet of this one, but I know what's in it. So as you can see, I've got a big smile on my face, which is partly the reason why the DeLorean's out of its case now, and the case is over there with my retro centre. I'm thinking I'm probably going to have to start losing the Star Wars helmet somewhere, because I'd like that whole wall there to be 80s retro. Chewing the fat at the moment, just thinking about ideas what I want to do. But yeah, great to be back. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like that video, please remember to give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. One other thing is hopefully the rendering time's really quick in this video now, because I've got a new PC which is like 4 times more powerful than the last one, so we'll be able to fire out these videos a lot quicker. Anyway, hope you like the video. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe. Take care.